is from Uber Eats. It's, if you can see, it's jerk chicken, cabbage, and curry goat with, oh my god, I'm gonna taste it.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your girl Jody. Today we're gonna speak on things to do before 2019. Okay guys, let's get down to business. Business. Hey. Okay guys, enough of that. So the first one is declutter or clean your space. So you know, you have to clean your apartment, clean your house, clean your room, clean your closet, clean your surroundings or wherever you are. The train, yeah, I know the train is okay. Throw away things you don't use anymore, so your surrounding or your space is much more cleaner and more lighter. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You know, me personally, when I clean my apartment, my spirit feel more lighter. You don't feel that much heavy. You don't feel heavy, or you know, you're miserable. When you clean, your surrounding is clean, you feel more relaxed and comfortable. Yes guys, so make sure your space is clean. Number 2 is reflect on the past year. Reflect on what you have learned, what you have achieved from the past year. Also reassess your goals and determine whether or not you reach them. Find new ways or strategies to accomplish your goals. Here, maybe you could change your methods. Try to see if you could find new methods. Even if you don't know any new methods, Google is another option to help. Or you could sit down and think out of the box to see if you could find new ways. Number 3, plan your 2019. Write your resolutions. Make new goals. You know, write a bucket list. What are you gonna focus on? The areas of your life you need to adjust. Maybe the previous year, the goals that you're trying to accomplish didn't work out for you. You could try new things. It's good to try new things and see if those goals might work for you. You know, yes, see if those might work. Number 4, buy your motivational supplies. Buy a new planner. This planner that I have is from 2017. I bought it from I think, I don't remember the store that I bought it from. I think I got it as a gift also. It has new quotes every month. There's a new quote. It's very good and it's not finished as yet. It has this blue ribbon. You could, yeah, buy a new planner. Buy some new workout clothes if one of your goals is to work out. You know, work out, lose some weight, get fit, get healthy, try new diets or whatever, you know. Buy organizational supplies. Buy those storage bins. Buy those little bins to put your stuff in so your room or your apartment doesn't look bungled up and jumbled, and you know, you're confused, you're miserable, and so and so forth. And buy whatever you need to assist you, you know, in reaching your goals. And this is another book. You could also get it. Everyday Happiness, 365 Ways to a Joyful Life. Let me read one of the quotes that is inside of it. The higher you fall, the higher you bounce. So yes, so these are all see, yes, this is a good book. This is a very good book. So yes, number 5, declutter your digital space. Organize those files on your desktop. Unsubscribe yourself from annoying emails. You know, delete those emails that does not serve any purpose. It just full your inbox up with, you know, nothing constructive. So delete those annoying emails. Unfollow yourself from negative people, negative social media websites and apps, so that you can become more happier and your digital space is much more cleaner. Okay? And the last and the final one is make a to-do list. Making that appointment. Make sure you write down the main important things you want to get over with. Use a marker. Use it, like you could use colored marker to cross it out. You know, green, orange, red, yellow. Cross it out so you won't get confused. Use them effectively. You'll be much more organized and you'll be much more reliable. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope those tips that I just expound on might help you. It has helped me over the year, and I could see a change in my life. So I hope you try them out. Share with friends and family, your loved ones, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Share it. And I hope 2019 looks or feel much more better for you. Subscribe to our channel. We are new to YouTube. Subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to comment. You know, it's good to participate and support each other. So thank you for watching, guys. Tell an uncle, tell a friend, tell your baby, tell your cousin, your aunt, your grandma to go on YouTube and see Jody and David, you know. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.